Hey, what's up guys? We are back for another 3-minute Thursday. Welcome to the studio. We are taking a look at the Anker Power House 200 today. And yeah, this thing is a beast. So let's throw 3 minutes on the clock and let's get started. All right, so to start off here, this is a 200 watt-hour battery contained in this nice little package. Well, it's kind of a big package, but let's talk about the I/O on the front of it. First off, you've got two USB-A ports. These are quick charge, so they will charge any phone pretty fast. You've also got a USB-C port that is also Power IQ, USB-C power delivery, so it will output up to 60 watts. So you can charge a full-on MacBook straight off of this, or a phone super fast if you've got like a USB-C to Lightning, something like that. So that is great. We've also got a cigarette lighter outlet plug. So anything that you've got that takes that will be great. So let's say you're on a camping trip with a bunch of friends and you need a few more USB ports because you got to charge a bunch of phones at night. Just grab your spare car charger, plug that in there. We've also got this full AC outlet on this side, and that does work for quite a lot of things. I've had great success, you know, with a laptop power adapter, plugging that in if you need to use that. I've used it as to power a mattress pump to blow up a big floaty at the beach. The only thing that I've tried that didn't run off of this was a vacuum. Didn't really like the vacuum, tried to turn on, there was some motor noise, but didn't quite output enough juice. One little catch when you are using this thing, you cannot use this guy and this guy at the same time due to the battery heating up and there not really being a fan in here, so it won't let you do it due to heat constraints. So for example, you can use the AC and the USBs at the same time, but you can't use all three of them at the same time. Really, it just won't let you use this and this due to those heat concerns. So that's super great on the front. On the back, we do have a little barrel plug as well. It can charge with the built-in power adapter that comes with it, with the barrel plug. Charges pretty well, but what I prefer to do is charge through the USB-C port, because this works both ways. You can turn it on and use it to output power to the front, or you can turn it off and just plug something in and it will start charging. So I love to just charge this with my MacBook power adapter because it saves one less cable on the go. So that's super great. All right, so this guy is very impressive. Comes in at 200 watt hours. So I've actually used this for video editing when I'm on the go, because 200 watt hours plus my MacBook battery, which is 100 watt hours. That means this can charge my MacBook 2 additional times from 0 to 100%, so that's great. I've been able to edit with about 6 hours on this, so plug it in a van, edit for 6 hours before my laptop battery dies and this dies. So pretty great. You can definitely, obviously depending on what work you're doing, like if you're just doing web browsing and basic stuff, this will power a computer a lot longer, but if you're on a Final Cut rendering some serious files, it does cut down the battery life quite a bit. All right, thanks again for tuning in. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.